Ebusi Richard Nemakwe, billionaire no din 40th birthday in a Grand Star. I said that day in the Ohia Esuma ye, they know the birthday there. Poverty cried well. Poverty cried well. Ohia Suya Gasa, we got two here, ewo Abuku Medina, and Ohia, a teens who come man handkerchief crap a pan anymore. Billionaire Mano Canas was I know copy Kumas, I don't piece it. A honest she, you know. Wakoma ejwadifo no 5 billion old Ghana cedis any other packages. Now Okon or the newly acquired private jet and a ekoye in a Grand Star. Hi Penya Block Media. Message say any demo. Over like a video na rauma over subscribe button and snap click the notification icon for latest update. Na be chira wadwen da mama e commentation. Message so baswa. No she video money as enya biahwe. And today marks exactly 2 weeks. One fire broke out in Kumasi Edum PZ Blue Light. Emma eho nyina she I remember Hello FM Kwanda and Despite Media ejano ekoi say bebia eye butu bebia eye scatter eba ene zo mehia moa enti adonfo SIS omo de emo eko amakwahene Ashanti Regional Minister okoi 6 billion okecha ifa koi 1 billion wuntumi mo koi oni ba omia ekoi 2 billion eni ade kriye pon ekoi 1 billion we koi 2 billion we koi chese donations on eba left right center na Richard Nemakwe billionaire Akra no no tie oye eyini ada so nya Kumasi no nya santini but already no se there be enya hwe kra de ye nyina ye wo mawe mu ye onipa baako enyimu bia nim ye wo man baako nipa baako account na entry so na account ana anya hwe kra no me wo enipa obu follow me edo me e obu fru Kumasi enso ye ne we atokwani fo a eni sam ye hwe ha eti no ma me so me nko na at least ahwansre ni hwe kra no opposite nsem eti ma me kra na de metimi ayama omuno menko ayama entina no oba na de ordinary newly acquired private jet that worth $25 million and by our for Prempe International Airlines.
Richard Nemakwe na but it's a shock no shock am to do nya abo aketo. This tells you the kind of person Richard Nemakwe is. Only packet one crowd or then a little master Prempe the president. The flight is the money band here.
How don't fire but see Kumasi say I feel muti see form enum nam street anymore.
What insurance ni mo? Who price insurance ni? Nanti if you when you go, you go jina na moita. What is your? Move.
Ecuador PZ. He was accompanied by the Ashanti Regional Minister, Dr. Amwakohene, any other executives, and as we know, Eco-P, a doom PZ, baby, a hoshi, and a ho, and as Ojima go from old children, oh, mini animal, Monka from Mamma Shadne, the entire Bahin and say, at Renchino Yena at Tomono, and as my bass, minimum be dear, Rehobo, Munama Patam, at the Children, Etimbaya, Bukram some woman de Kumebi, 5 billion, money, now must move faster to BB, Ewa Hanomo.
Let's keep going. Engineers, I structural integrity test. I'm going to report no Yaba. Yabe at my Monday, Yanike Rebessia. Yabe at my next week. I am more likely to share or 2 for Edaba. Yabe at the no bar, Yanin the Betis I was so. They are empire the master of British National Defense. They while doing that, many of them are damaged about move on your way that's it. One day a year, many are called Yawa. Anna Abaya for the Ryan of many are rated quick. So we want to do an answer in our business manner. The business I want to also a war as a command. All by our hair and Yama Apostle. Now I require of the poor. It's honorable. A year, the president of the war any rated quick. The Bayano. I was saying, the Apostle and who's here, Sikasam and Akra. That's when I will be here cement to Kakra. If you are buying, or make it available 1,000 bags of cement, I bet me Abuamo. Beyond 1,000 bags of cement, was they make it available 500,000 Ghana cedis a year. Eddie Abua, Ama, would you do a hano? Let's see Abua, with the brief limit, Mamano, no one about the Kakra, now be a year to now, yes, never. Good afternoon. I am actually shocked and surprised the level of distraction I've come to see here. To be honest, I've seen images of the distraction, but seeing it in person, I'm really shocked. Clearly, a lot of work has to be done here. This will require a lot of investment to be able to restore this place to its previous state. Ashanti region is a home to me because I have so many staff here, I have so many customers here, and also what it means is that I have a lot of businesses here. Anytime I come here, I have come home. To be honest, when this distraction happened, I had a lot of calls from many of the traders and the market women here asking me to extend some level of support to them. And so that is why I've come here today to come and support in the best way that I could. And as the Honorable Minister himself said, I have come here to support you with 500,000 Ghana cedis, which is 5 billion gold cedis, and 1,000 bags of cement to aid the restoration of the place. Thank you. Thank you.
Continue, talk.
Boy.
The fashion I also said here, Madame Minia, which I gave a break time. 5 billion Ghana cedis, 80,000 bags of cement. If you are something here, there's a freedom of the above, say a better one. The buyer, the woman's organizer, Ayo, and the Honorable Minister, our police, anyway, the program, almost was here. It's the Yamamoto, one of us, that's my market.
Others as an idea, Richard Demako in Shiran, a via brook massive. What in Shiran, in Shiran from a buffer Kumasi, Siemens, Bilonia BPF, my God, in Shiran and Gasaba, in from an F5, what I say in Shiran from a fan who say, yea, 8 Mikra, my Biluanam Tiasa. Mikra me and who you come in, a museum from any family, say, my Bilunia. What I say, but I may store and make creating idea. Me story no or chef 5,000 plates. Me become a story now be a. Can you metro? Every that run your mommy ever comment session. I even your blog media.